You sit down at your desk as the morning light slowly fills the room. Soft and gentle, not too bright, just enough to wake your mind. The air feels fresh. When you open the window, you let the sound of the morning flow toward you. The quiet movement of the city, distant cars, and soft birds waking up, calling to each other in a light, natural rhythm that feels alive, but not overwhelming. There is no rush. Not yet. You place your notebook in front of you. Your pen rests beside it. Your phone is turned face down, creating a small space of focus just for you. And for a moment, you simply sit. You notice your breathing. You notice the stillness before action. Many people believe studying needs energy, pressure, or intensity. But what if focus could begin like this instead? Calm, steady, and quiet, yet awake. What if learning English didn't feel like effort, but like something you slowly step into? Like walking into the morning rather than being pushed into it. Welcome to Calm English, a space where you learn naturally, without pressure, without stress, just by listening, noticing, and being present. This morning, you are not forcing yourself to study. You are allowing yourself to begin. You look at your notebook again. The page is empty, but it does not feel intimidating. It feels open, like possibility. You write the date at the top, slowly, carefully. Each number has its place. You notice how your hand moves, the shape of each letter, the small sound of the pen touching the paper. These small details anchor you in the moment. Outside, the birds continue, a soft, natural background that reminds you the world is already in motion. You take a breath in and out. Studying begins not when you push yourself, but when you arrive. You read a sentence in English, not quickly, not for performance, just to understand. One sentence is enough. You let your eyes move slowly across the words. You notice a word you already know, that feels familiar, comfortable. It gives you confidence. Then a word you don't know, but you don't rush to translate it. You stay with it. You observe it. You guess its meaning from the context. This is how learning becomes deeper. You are not collecting words. You are experiencing them. You are building a relationship with the language. You look around your space. The light is now a little brighter. The room feels more awake, and so do you. Your body, too, feels more present. Your back is straighter. Your attention is softer, but clearer. You adjust your posture slightly. Relax your shoulders. Release any tension in your neck. You are here, and that is enough. Notice this moment. You are studying, but it does not feel heavy. There is no resistance. It feels calm. It feels possible. You continue reading. One more sentence, slowly again. You begin to notice patterns, simple structures repeating in a natural way. I wake up, I open the window, I sit down, I begin. These are not just sentences, they are actions. Your actions. Your morning. You are already living the language without needing to translate everything. You write one sentence yourself. I start my day calmly. Then you expand it. I start my day calmly and with focus. It is still simple, but now it grows. This is how confidence builds, step by step, layer by layer. You pause again, not because you are tired, but because you are aware. You notice how your mind feels now compared to a few minutes ago. A little clearer, a little quieter, more open. Studying is no longer something you avoid. It is something you enter gently, like stepping into water and adjusting slowly. You think, maybe this is the difference. Not studying more, but studying with presence. With space, with patience, with calm energy, not low energy. You return to your sentence again. I start my day calmly. Say it quietly in your mind. Let it feel natural. Now another. I am learning step by step. And another. I don't need to rush to improve. And another. I understand more every day. These are not just English sentences. They shape your mindset. You continue writing slowly, one line at a time. You don't try to be perfect, you just try to be clear. You underline one word that feels important. You circle another that you want to remember. These small actions make the learning active and personal. Outside, the world is fully awake now. The rhythm is faster, but inside your space, there is still calm. You realize something important. You did not need motivation to begin. You needed an easy entrance. And now, you are already inside the process. This is the answer you were looking for. Not how to study more, but how to begin without resistance and continue without pressure. You gently put your pen down, not as an ending, but as a pause. Take a slow breath in and out. Again, in and out. Let your shoulders relax. Let your face soften. Let your eyes rest for a moment. You are ready now. Not rushed, not forced. Just ready. The morning continues. The sounds outside remain steady. Birds, light movement, a living background that supports you without distracting you. And you continue your day with quiet focus and gentle clarity, learning naturally.